You might have probably heard about the most common animal hybrid between a female horse and a male donkey, called a mule. But did you know there are more of these mixed animals? Though this kind of species and breeds crossing does not usually appear in nature, with the intervention of humans, we now have zonkeys, ligers, and Savannah cats. These animals are typically infertile, with some exceptions, such as the coywolf, a mix of a coyote and a wolf, and can further reproduce. So in this video, we are going to discuss animal hybrid you won't believe exist. But before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. Liger. Although there are rumors of wild ligers, as far as we know, they exist only in captivity where they are deliberately bred. They grow to be very large very quickly and are the biggest cats in the world. Hercules, the largest non-obese liger, is the largest living cat on Earth, weighing over 410 kilograms, 904 pounds. As the name suggests, Liger is a mixed breed of lion and tiger. It is in reality a cross between a male lion, Panthera leo, and a female tigress, Panthera tigris. So technically, it has parents with same genes but different species. It is incredibly large and very dangerous. Absolutely crazy. While they have been around for centuries, there had only been a few reported cases of ligers living to full adulthood throughout Asia. Ligers are often much larger than either parent, dubbing them the largest cat in the world as they can reach up to 10 feet in length and tip the scales at over 1,000 pounds. Wolfen. It doesn't hurt nor is particularly known to cause harm to the human body, but always good to admire the regality of Wolfens from a safe distance. A hybrid mix between a whale and a dolphin. This is an extremely rare hybrid born from the mating of female bottlenose dolphin and male false killer whale. Although the parents are of course whale and dolphin, but both of them belong to the oceanic dolphin family. Consider yourself extremely lucky if you ever get to see one Wolfen. Wolfen is marine mammal created by crossbreeding of bottlenose dolphin and false killer whale. Both species live in warm temperate and tropical waters, and they often congregate in the wild. Despite great differences in size of bottlenose dolphin and false killer whale, they are able to mate. Beefalo. Be careful, oh fellow, of Beefalo, a cross between a buffalo and a cow. Wow! The beefalo is a hybrid mammal, a cross between a buffalo and a cow. Bos taurus x bison. The domesticated bull and the female American bison produce the offspring Beefalo. The Beefalo is the result of crossing buffalo with cattle. A domesticated bull and a female American bison are usually what breeders use to generate Beefalo. Beefalo has a useful ability lacking in many other animal hybrids. They can breed independently. You may have no idea of the extinction of these animals. These animals result from deliberate human breeding efforts to increase beef output. They are more docile and simpler to raise than domestic cattle, and their meat is thinner and tastier than bison. Beefalo is a hybrid breed that resembles cattle, but also contains 37.5% bison. Grizzly Bear. Known variously as a Grizzly Bear, Grizzly Bear, or Grizzly Bear, this grizzly polar bear hybrid is a rare hybrid within the Ursidae family. A Canadian hunter killed a polar bear that had very unusual characteristics like that of a grizzly bear. DNA testing confirmed that the bear was in fact a wild hybrid species. Tales of such creatures were told within the First Nation communities of North America down the centuries, but it wasn't until DNA samples were taken from a strange-looking bear was found near Sax Harbor in the Canadian Arctic in 2006 that their existence was finally confirmed. Coywolf. In evolutionary terms, coyotes and eastern wolves diverged from the same path quite recently, a mere 150,000 to 300,000 years ago. Producing offspring is hence relatively easy, and with the species sharing many behavioral characteristics, coywolves are at home running with either pack. The fun thing is that coyotes are actually closely related to the eastern and red wolves, having diverged 150,000 to 300,000 years ago and evolved side by side in North America. That makes this hybridization that much more fascinating. Zebroid. Animal hybrid consisting of a zebra and a horse. Scientific name: Equus zebrax, Equus caballus. The hybrid child of a zebra and another type of horse is called a zebroid. A zebroid is a cross between a zebra and another type of horse. A The combination of a Zorro and a horse is known as a Zorse. Rarely do zebras even try to breed, and the offspring are frequently infertile when they do. The offspring of a male donkey and a female zebra is known as a hinny, but such hybrids are extremely rare. Geep. When goats and sheep are kept in captivity together, like the ones at this petting zoo, there is the possibility that the two species can breed. However, it is extremely rare. Sheep and goats are popularly boarded together in the same pastures around the world, but it's highly unlikely they will mate. Because of the genetic differences between goats and sheep, the offspring of are usually stillborn. In some very rare cases, the Geep hybrid is born alive and grows for a few years. However, they are likely to have much shorter lifespans and suffer from severe health complications if they survive their own birth. There are about 12 documented cases of Geep who have survived the gestation period and birth and managed to live a few happy years on a farm or in a petting zoo. Either way, it's more likely to be a stressful pregnancy on the mother species and is generally not encouraged among livestock owners. Savannah. A Savannah cat is the offspring of a domestic cat and a serval. Servals are medium-sized, large-eared wild cats native to Africa. The Savannah cat's tall body and slim build make them appear larger in size despite having lower body weights than most cats. Their size will depend on gender and the generation of the animal, meaning how far removed it is from its wild cat ancestor. Savannah cats have been bred in captivity for decades since the early 90s and sold as luxury pets. However, depending on how far removed the cat is from its serval cat parent or grandparent, they will possess the serval's exotic traits and personality. The cats have recently become more famous through pop star Bieber since he bought 2 Savannah cats and set up their own Instagram account. Iron Age pig. These things are terrifying, especially if you live in the southern half of the United States. Throughout the region, homeowners are aware of the damage feral hogs can do to their crops, gardens, and livestock, but what about the Iron Age pig? For one, they get their name from the resemblance they have to pigs throughout Europe hundreds of years ago. Bred for a specific cut of meat, these suckers are bigger and much more aggressive than any domestic pig you will encounter, which can be a scary sight if they start to breed on their own in the wild. Let us know your opinion in the comments section below. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Stay safe, and we will be back soon with another video.